Hello, you guys. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'll be reviewing Etoro. If you're living in this world, you would know that there is the world leading social trading and investing platform, which is called Etoro. So I've been using Easy Equity, but then with Easy Equities, you can just buy equities and you can't buy cryptos because it hasn't been loaded yet. So with Etoro, you can buy such, and I'll be reviewing that. And I'm so sorry, you guys, I disappeared. And I've been so busy with projects at work and a whole lot of things that is happening in my life. And I don't even know how I'm going to solve some of these things. So let's go ahead and review Etoro so that when you start using Etoro, you will know about it. So I go out there and check these platforms so that I can give you information before you even start using these platforms. So to get started with with Etoro, you go to Etoro. And then it will take you to a page like this where you can just sign up. And to sign up, you just click sign up. So it will take you to a page like this if you don't have an account. And then you'll enter your username, your email, your password, and then accept the terms and conditions and create the account. So after creating an account, and then it will give you an assessment to see your risk type, because there are different risk types. Like in order for you to be a trader, you need to know what type of a risk. Do you perform better under pressure? Do you perform better when things are stable? Do you perform better with just hodling coins or stocks? So you need to know such before you can start trading or operating on Etoro, so that you know what your risk types. And I'll show you exactly where you will use this risk type. And then let's go to my account, and which is this one. Let's see. Let's go to my account, and then I'll log into the account. So you see, share the screen. Okay, so this is my username, and then I will log in. So once you're inside, there's so many things that you're going to see, but do not be alarmed. So I was also shocked the first time, but it's not something complicated. I'll tell you now what you need to watch. So when you click watch list, you'll actually see a list of all the stocks that are there, and then also cryptos. So this is what is pre-selected for you, but you can select what you want and what you do not want. So if you want to remove, say for example, you're not interested in Ethereum, or you're not interested, you can just click remove. So this is what you want to see when you log in. So you can just customize this to see what you want. So if you're not interested in oil commodities, then you'll just remove that. And then also you can put alerts. So alerts are there to let you know, for example, remember I always say you buy when something is low and then you sell when something is high. So say for example, you're tracing Apple stock. So you can just set a price alert to say at the moment it's $133. And then if you want to set a price rate saying maybe it should alert you when it's now 100, so you can create an alert, and then it will inform you as and when that happens. So that's what you need to know about the watch list. So I think you can use it, especially if you're interested in certain stocks. Let's look at portfolio. So portfolio will show you exactly what you have in your account. So for example, this is my real account. So there's a virtual account and a real account. So with the virtual accounts, they basically give you a place to play, a place to familiarize yourself with the environment. So when I go to my virtual page, it means they've given me certain amount, certain money that I can use to trade for me to get used to their place. So for example, if I were to buy using my virtual, so this is not my real accounts. So this is money given for me. It's like dummy money for me to practice. So I can just go and buy whatever I want to buy. I can click trade and then say maybe I want to buy Tesla. I can just come to Tesla and click trade and buy that using the dummy money. So you can also do that. So that's why you have the real one and the dummy one. So in my portfolio for the dummy one, this is what I have. So I have something called copy people, where you basically copy someone who's already a trader and with experience, and then you copy exactly what they have in their portfolio. So say for example, maybe they have Apple stocks, they have crypto, they have commodities, gold, and then it'll go and do exactly what this person is doing. So there's a risk and also a benefit into this, but then I'll talk more with a more detailed video which talks about copy trades. And then there's a news feed. So all the news that you need to know about stock markets, about crypto, you will get. So it is a social platform. So obviously you will get such. And then when you go to trade markets, this is where you buy, where you see the stats, where you see all the ETFs. So at the top, you will see the different types of stocks or assets or products that you can buy. So the first product you can buy is obviously stocks and ETFs, crypto, indices, commodities, and currencies. So now I don't know about indices, but then it is one thing. So for those who did accounting, you can tell us, but I do know about ETFs. So this is a bunch of stocks which are combined together, and then you can buy there. And then stocks is obvious. When you buy Apple, when you buy, let's say, for example, Coca-Cola, when you buy banks, yeah. So you can just choose which one you want to buy. So you can just go there and buy even this one, Storage Inc. So different currencies, I mean, different stocks that are listed. So in South Africa, we say JSE. So in America, those are, I guess, stock markets. So whatever stock market they are using them. So there's a lot, but then you can just go there. So if you want to go back, you click trade markets and then you click ETFs, then you'll see the different ETFs which you can buy if you want. Remember I said it's like a group of equities and shares that you can buy. And then crypto, you already know crypto because I talk about crypto all the time. So I'll be very disappointed if you know nothing about crypto. So crypto is your Ethereum. So it gives you the exact price of what you see. You see everything is going up, but that's still not there where I wanted. Guys, I actually did buy Ethereum. So I want Ethereum to go up. So you would see exactly what stock, what crypto is there. And then you can click buy. And then when you buy, you can specify the amount. You can specify the units. So when you click units, it will actually give you how many BTC do you want, like Bitcoins do you want. So you can say, maybe I want 3. You see, if you have money, you can just buy 3. And then it will give you the price. So this one, the minimum amount for BTC is $25. So it gives you exactly how much money you can spend. And then when you go to amount, you can specify the amount that you want. All of this is in US dollar, guys. So you need to convert. So for South Africans, we multiply by 16, or you can check the dollar and cent and dollar and rand value. So if you don't know, because I know some people don't know, you can just click dollar to rand in Google, and then it will give you this. And then you can say, if you have 100 rand, how much, at the bottom, if you have 100 rand, how much dollar do you have? So you can see you have actually $7. So you can do that to translate. Okay, let's go back to here. And then that's how you would buy. And then copy people is what I've done. So there are traders, people who've been in the business, who knows their work. And then these people, they register as people who actually share their portfolio. And then if you want to copy what they are doing, you can just copy. So you need to know the risk. Remember, I told you that when you start creating the account, you need to know your risk appetite. So this one is a risk 5. And it's important to know because you need to know the type of person you are so that you can choose the person who similar to you. And then, for example, say maybe, for example, my risk appetite is 6. And then this person, you see the returns in the last year, it's over 67%. So he's a good one as well. And then you can just click and get this person and copy this person by just clicking that person. And then you can apply. Actually, let me go back so I can show you more. So, okay, so these are the most copied ones. And then you can just see the one you want to copy. Say, for example, we want to copy this one. You can just click and click copy. So when you click copy, this person, everything that he does, you can just invest a certain amount. So how much do you want to invest? Say maybe you want to invest $1,000. So you don't necessarily need to start with $1,000. It will tell you the minimum amount that you can put for this person in order. So what's going to happen is your money will be divided into whatever he has bought and whatever he is doing. So if this person decides tomorrow that he's selling, maybe if he has Tesla stock, your Tesla stock also will be sold. So basically everything that he does, you will do. So just to give you an example, in this virtual portfolio, you would see that I've copied these people and then I've assigned I've invested 1,000, and then when you look at the bottom, you see that this is the profit that I made because of whatever activities that these people are doing. But remember, this is my virtual one, the one that I'm using to practice, so that when I go to the real one where I deposit my money, I'll be able to make informed decisions. I will know about copy people and copy portfolios. So copy portfolios is like copying companies or maybe broker houses, and where it's a company or that's doing this, and then you'll obviously do the same. And then when you do that, and then let's go down to see, and then Etoro Club, didn't read much about it, and I wouldn't want to talk too much, but then it looks simple. Let's just go for it. So I guess you join a club, and then there's a silver, gold, platinum, and you'll see that there's things that you can access even more than your free accounts. So like your live webcast. So if you have a silver, you will see that, and then copies, crypto staking, 80%. So weekly analysis. This is something that we do not get as a free account. So that's the Etoro Club. And then invite friends. This is where you will get your referral link. So now this is my referral link. So when I copy and post in Facebook or Twitter or anywhere, and someone clicks, and then I'll be making a certain amount of money. So they'll give you the rules. Spread the word by using your referral link or share account. Will notify you when a referral has joined. Have fun trading with your family. So you will also get something, whether it's discounts on fees or whether it's money that will be given to you. But then you do want to also copy your own referral. So now when I post this video, I will have this referral at the bottom. So when you click it and join, that's how as well I'll make money, whether it's on fees or whether it's on money. So do copy yours. After creating your account, make sure you get yours and send it to your friends, and then you can make money from there. And then if you want to deposit funds, okay, let's start with the withdrawal. So with withdrawal, you can withdraw your funds after making money, and then you can withdraw. This is on your real account. When you withdraw money, there is a $5 charge for any withdrawal. So whether you're withdrawing $100 or whether you're withdrawing $1 million, it's just $5, which is good. So I would advise you to just make sure that you keep your money in, and then when it's a large amount, then you can just do the withdrawal. And then when you deposit funds, this is when you're depositing money in your account, or you can just buy using your debit or credit card. So the minimum amount is $200. This is the initial minimum account. And thereafter, you will only pay 50 Rand, not 50 Rand, $50 to add into your account if you want to buy more stock. So let's see, if you want to put 100, it won't allow you. So the minimum is 200. But then remember, this is the initial amount. And then you can just know about that as well. And then you also have settings, but then we did talk about that. And then now let's go back to trade again, because that's where we'll be playing more. So let's say stocks I already talked, crypto I already talked, indexes. Let's go and see. You will see these different types of indices. And you know what? Not just to be ignorant, let's just go and check what is indexes, because I really don't know. So the indexes track the underlying prices of the currency pair within that index. If the individual forex prices in that index increase, then the value of the index will go up. So that's the definition of indexes. So you can buy those ones there. And then let's go back so you can see the next one. Commodities, that one I do know. So you see your gold, your silver, your copper. And funny enough, I used to watch news and think, why are they talking gold? Why? But now I understand. So your oil, your platinum, your sugar, it's also, so those are commodities. So you can buy your gold if you want. So you can just click and buy your gold if you want. So you don't necessarily need to buy for $10,000. You can select the price. Now it's $1,778. So you can just select and buy whatever you want. And then let's go back, and then so you can see even more currencies. So this is the dollar and ZAR account, or your USD Canadian, and there's also USD Japan. So these are your currencies. The conversions are like what we did when I started to show you how to convert from your ZAR to your USD. So these, you can buy currencies as well. So you see, when I say Etoro, it's vast, guys. There's a lot you can do there. Basically, you can do almost everything compared to Easy Equities. And just to show you with Easy Equities, guys, the only thing that you can buy is equities and few shares, only few shares from America and South Africa, and not much, guys. So you can use Easy Equities if you just maybe beginning, and then when go to Etoro and you now like want to play serious. So this is my Easy Equity account, and then when you look at this, there is TFSA. This is a non-taxable account, and then there's Equities USD. This is where you can buy your shares from America, and then the demo is like your virtual one where you can just practice. And then I've recently added the BE share for SAP Kabili. So when you look at the list of products that they have, yes, they have equities, ETFs, ETNs, but then when you go to cryptos, you'd see there's nothing except the indices, and which is not even in crypto. So under crypto, there's nothing in equities. So that's why I would advise that you go to Etoro. And guys, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm also learning these things, and I want to learn and share as much as I can the more I work. So let's go to the real portfolio. So you can see, you can go to the real portfolio. And then in the real portfolio, there's nothing when you go to your portfolio. There's nothing because I haven't deposited any money. And then if you want to filter by people, you can filter by people, especially for copy people. And then stocks, you can just select what you want to see. And then it will show you exactly that. And then you can also, let's go back. You can also apply filters as well on what you want to see. So if you want to see cryptos and then currencies cross, and then it will just show you only the currencies pairs. So I think these are pairs. And then you can just see that as well. And then when you click this button, you'll be able to complete your profile. So I didn't complete my profile. So you can go ahead and complete your profile. And yeah, it is taking way too much time. And guys, this ring light, it's actually creating these rhyme things. So yeah, guys, you complete your own profile. Let's hope I can stop this. I had to just stop it. And then when you go to this share thing, and then it will actually share your Etoro to Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and even email. So when you click get shareable link, it will copy your referral link. And then remember what I told you, you make money or you save on fees whenever you do that. So it's simple, guys. You can just click Facebook. It will connect to your Facebook account if you have linked your Facebook account in your, and then yeah, and then it will just say, and then I'll just say something to people like, okay, maybe sign up on Etoro. Because people do know about it, heard about it, but then they don't know what to do with it. So it's something simple, guys. It might look complicated, but then it's not. So remember now, I just shared with someone where to click that link and then buy or create an account and then buy something, then I will get something from that. Guys, remember, if you have any question on Etoro, you can use the comment under my video description, and then you can just type a question there, and then I will check your question and try and find the answer. And then another thing that I want to share, so the fees, there are no fees. Let's go to fees. So there are no commission fees. So you see, you can open a free account, 0 commissions on stock, no management fees. You can just click start trading as well. And then here they also give you a live example of fees that you can have. So with stocks, they're saying you can invest as little as $50. Remember, the initial amount is $200. And then with crypto as well, it will give you different fees that you can going to be charged. This is the fees when you buy crypto. And then CFDs as well, you can just continue, and other fees you can just see, but then these are general fees. So depositing fee, when you deposit is free. The only one I told you about is $5 when you withdraw, and then the minimum withdrawal is $30. But then, guys, I need to tell you something important. The inactivity fee. So if you open an account and you don't do anything for the whole year, it means after 12 months, they're going to start charging you $10 a month. So you do need to create if you create an account, make sure that there is some activities for at least $200. Otherwise, they're going to charge you this $10. So we need to make sure that when you open an account, you do buy something, guys. It's time we stock up on stocks and also on crypto. And I've been talking about that. This is not only for us, but also for the future generation. Thank you, guys, for your support. And even though it's at night, I felt I've been away for too long. Thank you so much for your support, number one. Number two, I do hope and pray that one day I'll get to do this full time. So in the process of paying off my debts, and also one day, hopefully I'll be able to do this full time and also work full time in my NGO. And thank you so much, guys, for your support. And please do continue supporting me. And now that I'm monetized, I am also getting something whenever you watch my videos and then you see an ad, and those ads do pay me something. And then I will share maybe after sometime next week, I will share my first payment on YouTube so that you can know roughly how much. Because remember, we need to make sure that we have different source of income, not only on crypto, not only, and if you are someone who wants to do YouTube, you can also do YouTube and learn, because it's not like I know these things. I just learn, and the more I learn, the more I get to share with you guys. Thank you so much for your support, and I really, really, really appreciate it. Do enjoy your day and take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe.